In this lesson, you are going to learn about three-dimensional formula in Microsoft Excel. Now, you use three-dimensional formula to calculate a summary sheet. This is my summary sheet. I want to calculate the summary of sheet 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to enter equal to and type my function. Now, you can double-click here for the function. Now the next thing I want to do is to insert my numbers, but this time around I'm calculating summary sheet. So I'm going to click on my sheet 1 and select the first number. Hold on my shift key to select all of the sheets and hit my enter key, and it calculates the first number for me. So after getting the first number, I can use my fill handle to duplicate for the rest of the numbers that I have in the cell. So that is how to use three-dimensional formula in Excel, basically to calculate summary sheet. Thank you.